Hi everyone, so today I'm doing the second and last candy coat unboxing on my channel. As I've said in the previous videos, I'm just not continuing the subscription because one, they're not that exciting, two, they took forever to get to me, I'm assuming because it's coming from the UK, three, I've never been able to get them to email me back, four, I'm missing a box and again they're not emailing me back. So that's the main reason I'm not continuing these, but it says it's 15 pounds a month, I believe. With shipping, it was like $45 a month for me, like US dollars, whatever. And all it says is subscription box. Discover classy, trendy, unique colors, beautifully wrapped and delivered straight to your door for just 15 pounds a month. Click the box below to join, and that's all it is. And then it shows a picture of this. So like I said, this will be the last one, but let's just go ahead and get into it. If someone likes what they see, you can go ahead and subscribe to it. Let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so let's open this up. I believe I said this was the January box, but who knows, maybe they got all mixed up in the mail. It says Candy Coat, Merry Christmas. I'm assuming this is supposed to be the December box. And then it comes with a little stocking. It's cute. I guess you could just decorate your nail room with that. Little nail file. Oh, and then it's some 2022 glasses, so maybe it is the January box also. Not quite sure. Comes with those things. Little piece of candy as always. I've never tried them, but I don't like marshmallows like that. Oh look, it comes with little like nail swatch things. Oh, okay. So it comes with 3 pink nail swatch tips. I'd use them if I didn't care that all mine were matching, so I'm not going to use them. And then it comes with a cuticle pusher and the tool that I always forget what it's called that just gets the dead skin off the side. Okay, and then it comes with some 3D like snowflakes and icicles and winter backgrounds. And then some decals of some snowflakes, penguins, scarves, stuff like that. Looks like this is a little piece of chocolate. Hopefully, no, I wasn't looking at the camera. I hope you guys could see what these were. So it looks like a little piece of chocolate, and then this, looks like, I shook the camera, hold on. Looks like those little paper things that you would encapsulate. I see Santa, I see reindeer, candy cane, hats, Christmas tree. I think that's everything that's in there. That's those. And then we can go ahead and get into the colors. The colors look very festive. Let me bring out my swatch sticks so I can reorganize my desk and don't remember what I put. Take out 3 of these. Like I said, I would use these ones. I just want like all mine to be matching and stuff. So I'll just save these in case I ever need them for practice or anything. So let's go ahead and bring over my lamp. Honestly, I wasn't expecting every box to come with like extra stuff. As far as I knew, it was just supposed to be like gel polish, but I don't know, pleasantly surprised. Okay, so we'll start with the first color. This is a cute little candy coat bottle, and it is G140. Ooh. So as always, I'll write candy coat gel G140, and I'll do 2 coats, so I'll just write that right now. And it's like, just like a gold chunky glitter. It's cute, very festive for, you know, New Year's Eve and stuff. Even Christmas nails. So I'll go ahead and put that under my lamp. And then the next one is G308. So go ahead and write candy coat gel. I forgot the number already. G308. And we'll do 2 coats of this one as well. And it's like the same type of chunky glitter, just in, like, I'd say like a medium green. Go ahead and stick that under the lamp. And then the next one is number 55. So again, I'll write candy coat gel 055. 2 coats. Okay. This one is much more, it's like a red festive with fine glitters and a red base. So red glitters and a red base, but the fine glitters, as I mentioned. So there's that one. Put that under the light. Do a second coat on this one. The glitters are kind of hard to get, you know, good like opacity. Put that back under. Green. Put that back under. And second coat of this one. And I'll just turn my camera off for the 60 seconds if I can do it. Okay, so here is G140. It's nice, thick and chunky glittery gold. And this is G308, thick and chunky glittery green. And then 055, which is like a festive sparkly red. Okay, so in total we have these 3 gels, which in total, if it was only 15 pounds, like that's like worth it right there. But for me, it's more also just because of shipping. It comes with these little things to encapsulate the Christmas stickers, and then the snowflake decals that are 3D. Comes with a little tool. Oh, I already put those things away. The 3 little swatch sticks for your gel, which I don't think was in the last box, unless I just totally missed it. Piece of candy, 2 pieces of candy. 2020 Christmas, but also glasses for the new year. A nail file. Their cute little card. And the stocking. So overall, if I didn't have like issues with them, I feel like I'd definitely stay subscribed. And if I was in the UK, I would totally recommend this box. I'm sure there's no issues with shipping there. I feel like just coming to the United States, there might be some issues and delays. But yeah, if you guys want me to continue with this box, please let me know. That the like unboxings might just be delayed because I get them so much later. So just let me know. I thought this was the January box because I got this after the last one. Maybe the one before that was the November box and this was the December box. I'm not quite sure. But yeah. Yeah. So if you want me to keep doing this box, please just let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be seeing more unboxing on my channel. I'll probably film one more tonight because why not? And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.